Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bands on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. So in order to remove this, you're going to locate on the back these cutout that looks up here, and all you do is basically press and hold, and then press and hold with your almost like your nail, and then you just basically slide it each way, this way or that way, doesn't matter. Then it will simply come off, as you can see here. And the same exact thing here, if I wanted to remove this, I just press and hold onto this and then just use my other hand to slide it over. And that's going to go ahead and remove your bands. Simple as that. And then to put it back on, same exact process, but you don't have to hold that. You just simply go ahead and slide it in and then slide it in like this. So let's go ahead and slide this one in, and it'll just snap on, and you can see here that's how you can remove and also install it as well, or put it back on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch. We'll see you guys next time.